Angie, your American homegirl and owner of Big Block American Real Estate in Shasta County and Orange County. Today, I want to talk to you about the elephants in the room. Normally there's one or two hiding out, but right now we seem to have several. So it's a good time to have a conversation about what is going on in the real estate market and how other areas in the country are going to impact our market, and to talk about the fears that people currently have. So the first one that we all know is going on is the rates are going up. We're currently in 4%, high fours, possibly for some people it's going into the low fives depending on the program. So we expected this to happen, but it's happened a little bit quicker than we had hoped. But overall, throughout history, these are still extremely low rates. If you've been looking for a home over the last few months, rates have changed. So you need to go back and speak with your lender and make sure that your rate still offers you the same opportunity to purchase a home at the price that you were looking at. We also know that we do not have a glass ball. So we do not know if rates are going to continue to increase to 5%, 6%, 7%. What we do know is that people are coming to us and stating that they are waiting to purchase a home until the market crashes. I have been hearing this for the last several years. So if I went back 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, as prices were inching up and then they kept going faster and faster and increasing, buyers were telling me the same thing. I'm going to wait until the market crashes and then I'm going to purchase. Well, at that time, prices were $100,000, $150,000 less than they are now. So those same buyers got priced out of the market, and they compare today's homes to what they were looking at then, and they can't get the same thing. So anytime that you are expecting the market to crash, understand that we don't have the ability to look into a crystal ball and know if that is going to happen. But what we do currently have is the ability to look at our supply and demand. If we're looking at the fact that our inventory is extremely low and our buyer demand is extremely high, this impacts our pricing. And because of this, we are still seeing prices continue to rise, even though that we have the interest rates increasing and the economy having some difficulties. The other factor is so many people are making decisions on what they feel that the market will be in 2 years, 5 years, 6 months, that they're not looking at their personal factors of why they're purchasing a home. If you know you're going to be in the same home for the next 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, you're making a personal decision based on your needs and wants for you, your family, your business, whatever it may be. The decision is well beyond just the pricing, as long as it's reasonable. Is the payment affordable to you? Is the payment going to be affordable to you if there are any adjustments in your income? If the market dips, will you be okay until it comes back up? If the market appreciates, will you take advantage of this factor and sell the home? But the thing is, if you are going to spend the next several years in the same home, or even the next few years, you are really looking at how the payment impacts you more than you're looking at the overall pricing. So just remember, it's not always about the market value, it's about your situation and what is going to work best for you long term. The other thing is, rents are high. We have seen so many increases in rents. So it's important to look at what you're gaining by owning a home and what you're gaining by renting a home. Over time, real estate has always appreciated. So if you are going to be there for a significant amount of time, the odds are that it's going to appreciate. If you own a home, there are things that you can also do to increase the value. So the important thing is to really look at your personal situation, short-term and long-term, and figure out for yourself if it's a good time to purchase a home and how much the pricing impacts you if the pricing fluctuates a little bit. The other thing that we all know is going on is gas prices, economy changes, people moving to different areas. So when you're making your decision, definitely look at these items. If the gas prices continue to go up, if the gas prices stay where they are for a lengthy amount of time, are you able to afford purchasing a home? Is it a smart decision for you? I always tell people it's not about what you can qualify for, it's about what you can truly afford. So remember, when you're making the decision, don't max yourself out, but instead purchase a home that's going to fit your needs and be financially comfortable for you long term. If you're thinking of buying or selling a home in Shasta County or Orange County, I am extremely happy to help you reach your real estate goals. My name again is Angie, owner of Big Block American Real Estate in Shasta County and Orange County. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and thank you for viewing my site.